Cells required are Arduino Uno, tilt sensor, and few jumper wires. In this code, the tilt sensor pin is attached to digital pin number 2 on Arduino Uno, and a LED pin can be attached to it if you want, or else the LED in the Arduino Uno will be used as an LED, or you can use an external LED to it. In setup function, the tilt sensor is put as input and LED pin as a output. You can see the readings in the serial monitor also. In void loop mode, the sensor value will be read, and in the serial monitor it will print the sensor value. If the sensor value is high, it will print in tilt detected, and it will turn on the LED. Else it will display no tilt and the turn off the LED. There will be 100-second delay so that there will be stability in it. Choose the correct COM port and board for. You can use Arduino Uno or Nano. After selecting the correct board and COM port, hit the upload button. As you can see here, it is uploading. After uploading, remove your Arduino Uno or Nano from your PC or laptop. You can find this in the description, the code and the circuit diagram both in the description. Now take tilt sensor and male to female jumper wire and connect to the tilt sensor. Here is the circuit diagram. You can take a screenshot of it and do the wiring according to it. Connect ground of tilt sensor to ground pin on Arduino Uno and VCC pin to 5V pin and signal pin to digital pin number 2 on Uno. You can add an external LED to it. There is no required of any resistor. Connect the long side of pin to pin number 13 and short to ground. Now connect the cable to Arduino. After wiring them, again connect to your PC or laptop. Open serial monitor. It would start displaying the sensor value. As you can see here, it's 0 and no tilt. And if I tilt the sensor, it would display the tilt. As you can see, now it is displaying no tilt with the sensor value, and now it's displaying tilt detected because I tilted the sensor little. I'll show you this working video also with the LED bulb on it. This is the working video. Check out the last LED on Arduino Uno and the external connected LED. As I turn down, it would stop blink, and if I tilt it, it would light up, both the down and the up one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.